is the best day ever! The water is so blue. Wait. Is that Leo? I can explain everything.
Leo, what did you do?
Should we be worried? Yes. Definitely yes. It all started this morning. Wow! It's so big! I've never seen a ship this big.
It's just a boat. Leo, it is not just a boat.
Tickets, passports, sunscreen.
Can we just go in?
Welcome aboard. Enjoy your cruise. Thank you. We will.
Oh my goodness! Look at the ocean! It goes on forever!
Okay. This is actually cool.
I said it's okay. Just okay. Sure you did. So much food. Where do we even start?
Leo. Small portions first.
But I'm starving.
We take just enough. Not too much. Fine.
Fine. Fine. Try this one. It's amazing.
Oh, wow. So fresh.
Leo, that is your third plate. I'm a growing boy.
He gets that from you.
Absolutely not.
What should we do next?
Let's explore the ship.
What does that button do? Leo, don't even think about it.
I'm just looking at it. You are N-O-T, just looking.
Emergency alarm. Do not press.
Leo, that sounds very serious.
Don't you dare! I just want to see what happens.
It's just a tiny press.
What is happening?
Is this real?
I don't know. Stay together. Who triggered the alarm?
It was an accident.
Did you press this button, young man?
I was just looking at it.
We don't know him. Absolutely not.
False alarm. Everyone please return to your activities. Leo, what happened?
It was a small mistake.
The emergency button is for real emergencies only. I understand. I'm very sorry.
Leo, what do you say? I'm sorry. I really am.
An apology is a good start.
A start?
He can help the crew this afternoon. Very son. That sounds very fair.
Wait. What kind of helping?
You will see.
I told you not to press it.
I know. I know.
At least you said sorry.
That doesn't make me feel better. We will talk later. Yes, Mom.
You two go enjoy the pool.
Are you sure?
We'll handle this.
This is not how I wanted today to go.
Poor Leo.
He pressed an emergency button. On a cruise ship.
We fold, we stack, we smile.
I don't feel like smiling. They get the pool. I get towels.
Like this. Neat corners.
I've never folded a towel in my life. That actually looks okay.
Better. Keep going.
Fold. Stack. Fold. Stack. Excuse me. I think I lost my reading glasses.
Oh. Where did you last have them? Wait, are those them? On the chair? Oh my goodness! Yes! What a helpful young man. It was nothing. Really?
Good kid.
I'm winning! No, you're not! This is wonderful.
Best holiday ever.
I wonder how Leo is doing. Probably still folding towels.
You did well today, Leo.
Really?
You earned this.
Wow.
Go enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. And sorry. Again.
Surprise!
Leo, you're done.
Leo!
Watch out!
Splash attack!
Hey, I was perfectly dry.
So much for reading.
That was for the alarm. Okay. Fair.
You asked for it! Dad. Not you too.
I am surrounded by children. Join us, Mom. Don't you dare splash me. We wouldn't dream of it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. You are all in trouble.
Dry off. Don't catch a cold.
Yes, Dad. What's that on your shirt? Crew Marco gave it to me. It says Junior Crew Helper. I helped fold towels. And find glasses. I'm proud of you, Leo. Even after the button? Especially after the button. Really? You made a mistake. Then you fixed it. I didn't fully fix it.
That's called growing up, Leo.
It doesn't feel great. For what it's worth, you were really good with that lady. You saw that?
We all did. It was kind, Leo.
Today we buy gifts for Grandma and Grandpa.
What do they like?
Enjoy the harbor. Thanks, Marco.
Look at all the handmade things. These baskets are so beautiful. Grandpa really likes tea.
That's right. Good thinking.
This one. How much?
$20.
Wait, are you using your own money? I made a mistake today. I should do something right. Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy. That's our boy.
That's our boy.
Grandma would love this one. It's so pretty.
Grandma will love it.
She really will. Isn't that just a perfect view?
It really is.
I never want to go home.
We have to. But we'll remember this. Best cruise ever? Even with the alarm?
Especially with the alarm.
That's what I thought.
Don't press buttons you shouldn't press.
And always say sorry when you're wrong.